Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Maven plugin. So let's get started. Maven plugin is a central part of Maven framework. Okay, it is used to perform specific goal. So it is of two type: build and reporting plugin. Okay, so build plugin are executed at the time of build. Okay, these are declared inside the build tag, and reporting plugin are executed at the time of site generation. Okay, and under the tag reporting we have all the plugins. So we have to move to the core plugin. So clean up after the build, compile Java source code, deploy the artifact to remote repository, fall safe, run the JUnit integration test, install the build artifact. Resources, copies the resources to the output directories. Okay, site, generate a site for a current project. Surefire runs the JUnit test. Okay, verify the existence of certain condition in the integration test. Okay, now now you, for the list of plugins, you can visit this site and you will get to know it. Okay, so if you have any question, please do comment. Today we have covered all the Maven chapters and it's over. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.